SmartView is an add-in to Excel just like the spreadsheet add-in. It has its own menu under the selection Hyperion and its own toolbar. Use the Hyperion Connection Manager command to connect to one or many different application databases. Starting a new ad hoc report with SmartView is much like starting a new ad hoc report with the add-in. Just select the Hyperion refresh command instead of the S-base retrieve command. I'm going to zoom in on the year and measures dimensions by selecting the members and then selecting Hyperion ad hoc analysis zoom in. I'll select measures and do the same thing. Hyperion ad hoc analysis and zoom in. I could have double-clicked on either to have zoomed in on them. One minor difference that you might note between SmartView and the add-in is that when I zoomed in on the measures dimension, which was up in the column headings, it did not automatically pivot to the row headers as is done with the add-in. The basic conceptual difference between the add-in and SmartView is the point of view toolbar and the ad hoc grid. The ad hoc grid is where multiple members, usually, of dimensions reside. In the originally refreshed report, the year and measures dimensions only displayed one member of the dimension in the ad hoc grid, just like the product, market, and scenario dimensions displayed only one member in the point of view. This is because the ad hoc grid requires at least one row and column dimension. However, the grid is usually used to display more than one member of each dimension, using the core functionality of zoom, keep and remove, pivot, member selection, or freeform reporting. The point of view always displays only one member of each dimension. It doesn't have to be the top member of the dimension, but these members are the page headings, or what is now called the point of view of the report. I'm going to drag the product dimension to the ad hoc grid and then zoom in on the product dimension by double-clicking. Now when I right-click and drag the product dimension back to the point of view, there are multiple members of the product dimension in the point of view, and the member shown in the point of view is the point of view of that report. It is the page member for that dimension in the report. I can change from product 100 to show that point of view, and then I can select product 300 and press the refresh button to show the new point of view. The report now displays all of the data for product 300. The member selection dialog is displayed. Check the members that you want to appear in the selection list and press the Add button. The members appear in the selection list, and you can move those members up or down in the list by using the up and down arrows above the selection list. When done, press OK, and the members appear in the point of view selection list. Select a different member, press the refresh button, and the data within the report changes. Or you can drag the members from the point of view to the ad hoc grid, and the members appear in the order in which they were shown in the member selection dialog. So we're down to the final question. Should you use SmartView or the add-in? Well, SmartView is the tool of the future for Oracle. If you want one user interface for all applications, like S-base planning, HFM, etc., then use SmartView. If you want to connect to multiple types of application databases rather than just S-base, use SmartView. If you want to connect to an Oracle OLAP database, use SmartView. And if you want to export your S-base data and update it dynamically within Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook, then yes, use SmartView.